Ukraine announced on Wednesday that its forces have launched counter-attacks on Russian troops, claiming that the death toll among opposing forces has risen to 13,800 since the war began on February 24. The armed forces of Ukraine managed to deliver a devastating blow to groups of occupiers' troops in the temporarily occupied territories of Ukraine and launched a counter-attack in some areas, the General Staff of Ukrainian Armed Forces said. The Ukrainian Air Force launched missile and bomb raids against Russian forces, with 9 air assaults carried out on military convoys and groups of troops, it added. Now let's see the newest videos of Ukrainian armed forces released in the past 24 hours. This is Ukrainian artillery attack on Russian column, probably with multi-rocket launcher. Now we can see some destroyed Russian equipment that is still burning. And today's winner is this spectacular view of tank attack. For the second time this week we are seeing destroyed Ka-52 chopper, which is very worrying for the Russian Air Force. The famous Azov regiment published some photos of destroyed Russian tanks and armored personnel carriers. And for the end, operation of Ukrainian multi-rocket launchers.
Добрий вечір, ми з України.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.